ऋषि कपूर और इरफान खान के जाने के बाद पूरी इंडस्ट्री में जैसे सन्नाटा छा गया। बॉलीवुड के दुनिया से दो ऐसे व्यक्ति का जाना बेहद ही दर्दनाक था। ऐसे में अमिताभ जी दोनों के बेहद ही करीब थे। दोनों को याद करते हुए बिग बी ने अपने ऑफिशियल ट्विटर अकाउंट पर एक ट्वीट किया, जिसमें उन्होंने लिखा, The death of an elder celebrity versus death of a younger, the grief of the latter more intense than that of the former. Why? Because you lament the loss of opportunity in the latter, the unrealized possibilities. Well, इससे पहले भी अमिताभ जी ने अपने दोस्त ऋषि कपूर के लिए एक ब्लॉग लिखा, जिसमें वो कहते हैं, मैंने पहली बार ऋषि कपूर को उनके घर देवनार कॉटेज चेंबूर में देखा था, जब मुझे राज कपूर जी ने घर पर एक शाम आमंत्रित किया था। वह एक बेहद ही ऊर्जावान चुलबुले थे। उनकी आंखों में एक अलग ही शरारत थी। उस वक्त वो अपनी फिल्म बॉबी के लिए तैयारी कर रहे थे। इसके बाद हमने उन्हें कई बार स्टूडियो में देखा। वो बेहद उत्साही और मेहनती नौजवान थे, जो हर तरह से सीखने के लिए तैयार रहते थे। इन मेमोरियम had seen him at his home, Deonar Cottage, Chembur, a young, energetic, bubbly, mischievous eyes. Chintu, on those rare moments when I was privileged to have been invited to an evening at Rajji's house, I would see him more often after. At RK Studios, when he trained as an actor for his film to be made, Bobby, a diligent, enthusiastic youngster, ready to pounce onto every learning that came his way. In that famous, large and legendary makeup room of Rajji, at the end of the first floor corridor of makeup rooms, he had a walk that was confident and determined, a stride and style that was similar to that of his grandfather, the legendary Prithviraj Ji, a walk I had noticed in one of his earlier films. That walk, I never found it in any other. We worked in several films together. When he spoke his line, you believed every word of it. There was never an alternative. Its geniusness was beyond question, and there has never been any other that could lip-sync a song as perfectly as he did. Never. His playful attitude on set was infectious. Even in the most grave sequences, he would discover that comedic spark and we would all just crack up. Not just on set. If you were with him at any formal event, he would find that little distractive, light-hearted gem to expand on and lighten the situation. When there was a time lapse as the shot got readied, he would bring out his playing cards, or at times pull out his rather complicated bagatelle board and invite others to play, a competition not just for fun, a serious competition. During his time of diagnosis and his treatment, he never ever lamented his condition. It was always, see you soon, just a routine visit to the hospital, I'll be back shortly. Joie de vivre, the exuberant enjoyment of life, was a gene he inherited from his father. The legend, the ultimate showman, the iconic Raj Kapoor. I never visited him in hospital. I never wanted to see distress on his smiling, cherubic face. But I'm certain, when he went, he must have gone with a gentle smile. Well, बस दुआ करते हैं कि ऋषि जी और इरफान की आत्मा को सुकून मिले। बिग बी के इस इमोशनल पोस्ट पर आपका क्या कहना है? आपकी राय हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएं। Also do like, follow and subscribe to Bollywood Now on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.